Hi, it's Vias Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. This is your love reading, timeless. Yes, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung mayroon pong mga tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, yung ating mga evil eye protection, okay? Protection po ha sa mga binabatong evil eye sa atin. And yung ating love bracelet, yung ating granter necklace, okay, para mag-grant yung mga minamanifest natin and tagapagbigay ng surprises yung si granter, yes, and yung ating pang cord cut. So, kung may mga tanong pa, message na lang po, okay? So, yes. How are you, Scorpio? How are you? Let's see, who is this person? Anong meron? Anong meron sa kanya? Who's this person? The person on Scorpio's mind. Person on Scorpio's mind. Okay. The Queen of Cups universe. Could be a water sign like you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Queen of Cups universe. And the Knight of Swords. Ito yung taong makasarili, Scorpio. Yes. The Moon, this is you. Ikaw tong parang lang laging tahimik. Lagi na lang siya yung tama. Decision lang niya yung dapat. Plano lang niya yung dapat. Yes, in general, may pagka-selfish yung person. Self-centered, may mga ganun. Yun ang gusto mong mabago sa kanya. Some of you, meron kang gustong baguhin eh. Pagdating sa ugali nitong taong to. I think, some of you. Yes. Anong situation? Anong kailangan malaman? Anong meron dito? Walang sinasabi kung ending na ba or magkasama pa kayo. Let's see. The High Priestess. Scorpio. Some of you, ito ang daming energy na pag may nalabas na baraha. Ito, hindi mo makita yung totoo rin yung emosyon pagdating sa'yo. Gustong-gusto mong malaman kung ano bang emosyon niya for you. Yes. Yung situation ngayon, isang malaking question mark. There's these secrets. Yes. Meron ditong hindi na-revealed. What's with this High Priestess? Pwedeng nagtatago sa'yo itong taong to. In general, may tinatago siya sa'yo na kailangan mong malaman kung ano. You're like curious. Yeah, the Two of Wands. Curious ka sa kanya. Para kang talagang nakikipag-connect sa isang malaking question mark, no? Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng inisip mo baka itong taong to kaya hindi siya available sa'yo, like emotionally, some of them is pwedeng meron silang iba and yun yung iniisip mo. Baka meron silang iba or ganto, ganyan. Andun na naman yung delulu. Yes. Ano bang emotion niya? Let's see. Their emotion. What is their emotion for you, Scorpio? Yeah. Wala, no? Hindi siya nakakapag-offer. I don't know why. Let's see. The Ace of Cups in reverse. Why? Why the Ace of Cups in reverse? The World. Okay. So, may nangyaring ending dito. Opo. May nangyaring ending. So, pwedeng hindi nakapagbigay ng totoong emosyon nitong taong to kasi pwedeng may nangyari nga something. I don't know. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na there's this gap or differences, no? I don't know if somebody is meron ng kakonect talaga dito. The Devil. Actually, they like you, Scorpio. They like you. Yeah. Pero hindi niya ito may mapakita. Ito yung taong gustong-gusto mong malaman yung emosyon niya para sa'yo. Nagkakaroon ka kasi ng doubt, nagkakaroon ka ng malaking question mark pagdating sa emosyon niya sa'yo. Kaya pala, kasi ganito, ang emosyon niya na pinapakita, the Ace of Cups na naka-reversed, meaning hindi siya available or hindi niya maipakita talaga. Okay, the world. Anong meron sa the world? Temperance. Alam mo, Scorpio, gusto ng taong to maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa ka sa kanya. Yes, yung iba sa kanila rin kasi hindi nagmamadali. Ang mahalaga dito is nakikita ka, nakakausap ka, nakaka-connect ka. Kung, okay? And, yeah, just try to be patient. Yun ang gusto niya. Nagiging patient din siya pagdating sa situation. I don't know why. Some of them, they're just waiting for there, okay? Yung sa part nila, sa side nila na may mag-end. Woo! May iniintay itong taong to na may mag-end sa part niya. Or maybe sa part mo, I don't know who's who, ang meron ditong kinokonekan pa, aside dito. Okay? They're just waiting na may mag-end sa part niya or sa part mo. Tsaka siya siguro makakapag-open or magiging available emotionally. Let's see, what is their next action? Their next action towards you. The 9 of Wands, guarded. There's limits. Off limit. O, diba? By the 9 of Wands, you have trust issue na, no? Oo, the 10 of Pentacles in reversed. The Empress in reversed. Their next action is hindi pa rin talaga ipakita, no? So, ang mga nakikita kong energy about sa pwedeng gawin niyang action is parang makikita mo na parang hindi siya totally into this or invested dito sa situation. Yes. Some of them, Scorpio, they're dealing with two people. Ikaw at saka yung isa pa. Kaya ganito. Some of them, they will try na talagang dumistansya from you. Excuse me. Okay, kung may separation dito, hahayaan nila talagang nakadistansya pa rin sila sa'yo. Yeah, no communication at all, if ever, kung kayo ay separated. But yeah, they miss you. Mahalaga ka sa taong to. Okay? Ang daming involved. So, let's see. So, wala pang commitments na pwedeng may offer sa'yo itong taong to, Scorpio. No commitments. Yes. Hindi sila ready dyan. Kaya pala. Ay, yeah, see? Tinan nyo yung lovers na to. Diba tatlo? Hindi to mag-flip ng wala lang. Okay? 'Di ba? Ang usual na lovers is dalawa lang. Ayan, tatlo. Oh, mayroon nasa likod. 'Di ba? So, outcome. Let's see. Outcome ninyo nitong taong to, Scorpio. Oops. Oh no, the struggle. Teka lang. Anong outcome nyo, Scorpio, nitong person na to? One more. Outcome. Yeah, they still love you. Yes. Outcome. The Fool in reversed. Ito yung parang hindi gagawa ng action basta-basta. No, hindi siya like tatalon sa bangin una ulo. Parang ganon. No? Kung kaya niyang paghahandaan niya. Hindi ito parang okay, andyan tayo muli, babalik tayo muli sa isa't isa. Kahit ganito yung sitwasyong magulo, hindi po ganun. No? So, ito is parang pag-aaralan, pagpaplanuhan. Yes. Yeah. See, the Lovers in reverse. May iintayin po ditong mag-e-end. Opo. Hindi po ito, kung itong taong to, Scorpio, is merong kakonect ngayon, hihintayin nyo yun na may mag-end sa kanila. Tsaka ito, sabihin nating babalik sa'yo. Okay? May chance. Opo. Feeling mo kasi hindi siya talaga invested, hindi naman po talaga invested. Or sabihin natin, hindi niya kaya mag-invest totally. Kasi they're like dealing with two people nga. Oo. Yeah, they have options. See, babalik yan sa'yo. The Six of Swords in reversed. Alisin lang kung ano mga kailangan. Alisin, if ikaw yung sabihin nating legit, o di ba? At yung isa is yung tawag dyan, fake. Fake. Hindi ko alam. Side bitch, side dick, side, diba, mga ganyan. Side dish. Di, tanggalin niya yun. Oo. Okay? So, kung sino man ang kakonect nito sa ngayon, yun ang tatanggalin niya. Sa'yo siya babalik. Reading mo to eh. Okay? Reading mo to. Scorpio. So, again, yeah. Kinikip ka pa rin ito, oh. Kinikip ka pa rin niya. Yeah, babalik to. Ikaw, yeah. Oo. Sa tingin niya, mas sa'yo, okay. Yung magiging situation niya pagdating sa relasyon. Parang ganyan. Mas pipiliin ka niya. It's like you're the star. Ikaw yung aking. Pero, yes, kung ikaw is naghihintay for them na bumalik, don't do it. Huwag mong hintayin. Gawin mo, grind mo sa buhay mo, no? So, mas maganda yon. Okay? So, there. Huwag tayong aasa na, okay, babalik. So, sige. Don't. Gumawa ka ng kung ano man pagdating sa sarili mo. Okay? So, tayo tumungo na. Aries through Pisces. Okay. Aries through Pisces. Aries, they're conflicted. Maybe they're giving you mixed signals. They're stressed. Taurus, being impatient. Gemini, or their wish fulfillment na hindi talaga makuha-kuha. Unfulfilled na, na masasabi. Cancer, okay, there's this acceptance with this Cancerian. Leo, some of you there's a Leo na pwedeng bago. Or new connection na pwedeng mangyari with the Leo placements. Okay. Virgo, another new person, pwede. They want to communicate, actually. They want to say or tell you something. Libra, doesn't work out. Parang wala nang mangyayari dito. No focus at all, no effort. Scorpio, immature when it comes to love, or sabihin natin, maybe this Scorpio is not ready or open for love, parang ganyan. Sagittarius, no effort, no focus, kulang, Capricorn, they're ghosting you, or maybe they're like isolating themselves, so maybe you have to isolate yourself from this Capricorn. Aquarius, pwede siyang some of them, they have insecurities, a lot. They have doubts. Pisces, there's this third party involvement, okay? And yeah, another 3. So meron po, may malakas na third party na involved dito. Okay? So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. And yun pong ating second channel na tawag dyan, Love Letter. Nasa description box below. Dito po, hanapin nyo dyan. So, yun po ha. So, salamat again. Bye.